Coca-Cola, one of the most recognizable brands in the world, is known for its refreshing taste and iconic status. However, what many consumers may not realize is that this beloved beverage contains a surprising ingredient: salt. Yes, salt, that ubiquitous seasoning found in kitchens globally, plays a pivotal role in the formulation of Coca-Cola. This revelation invites curiosity. What could possibly justify the addition of salt to a soft drink? The inclusion of salt in Coca-Cola isn't merely a quirky choice. It has significant implications within the beverage industry. In a market saturated with sugary drinks, companies are constantly searching for ways to enhance flavor, maintain consumer interest, and differentiate their products. Salt, often associated with savory dishes, has been recognized for its ability to amplify flavors, making it an unexpected but strategic component in soft drinks. By incorporating salt, Coca-Cola can elevate the overall taste profile, creating a more complex and satisfying experience for consumers. Delving deeper into the motivations behind Coca-Cola's salt addition, one can see that it serves multiple purposes. First and foremost, salt acts as a flavor enhancer. It can balance sweetness, reduce bitterness, and even mask off flavors that may arise from the carbonation process. This is particularly important in maintaining the consistency of Coca-Cola's flavor across different batches and regions. Additionally, salt can help to improve mouthfeel, making the drink feel smoother and more enjoyable. However, the inclusion of salt in soft drinks is not without its challenges, particularly regarding consumer taste preferences. In an age where health consciousness is on the rise, many consumers are wary of excessive sodium intake. This has led to a complex relationship between beverage manufacturers and their customers. Coca-Cola must strike a delicate balance between enhancing taste with salt and addressing the growing concerns about health and nutrition. The company is faced with the challenge of ensuring that consumers perceive the drink as refreshing and enjoyable, while navigating the potential backlash against sodium-laden products. The science behind salt's role in flavor enhancement is fascinating. Salt works by stimulating taste buds and enhancing the perception of sweetness. This is particularly important for soft drinks, which rely heavily on sugar for their signature taste. When salt is added, it can create a more rounded flavor profile, allowing the sweetness to shine without becoming cloying. This phenomenon is well documented in culinary science, where chefs often use salt to enhance the flavor of desserts, proving that its applications extend far beyond savory dishes. Despite its scientific benefits, the public perception of salt in soft drinks can be mixed. For some, the idea of adding salt to a sweet beverage may seem counterintuitive or even unappealing. This perception can lead to skepticism about the quality and healthiness of the drink. Coca-Cola, aware of these potential consumer concerns, has to navigate this landscape carefully. Marketing campaigns often emphasize the refreshing qualities of the drink, while subtly downplaying the role of salt, allowing consumers to enjoy the beverage without overthinking its composition. One of the most intriguing aspects of Coca-Cola's salt trick lies in the experiments conducted to understand its effects. In a controlled study, taste testers were presented with two variations of a soft drink, one with the standard formula and another with a carefully measured amount of salt added. The results were striking. The beverage with salt received significantly higher ratings for overall flavor and satisfaction. Testers described it as having a more vibrant taste, with a noticeable depth that made them want to take another sip. This experiment underscores the effectiveness of salt as a flavor enhancer, challenging preconceived notions about its role in sweet beverages. Expert opinions further bolster the argument for salt's inclusion in Coca-Cola. Food scientists and flavor chemists have long recognized the importance of salt in the culinary world. They argue that salt is a fundamental component of flavor, capable of transforming a good dish into a great one. This perspective is echoed in the soft drink industry, where the quest for the perfect balance of flavors is paramount. Coca-Cola's decision to incorporate salt aligns with these principles, showcasing a commitment to quality and consumer satisfaction. In summary, Coca-Cola's use of salt is a fascinating intersection of culinary science, consumer preferences, and industry strategy. While it may initially seem surprising, the addition of salt serves to enhance flavor, improve mouthfeel, and create a more enjoyable drinking experience. The challenges surrounding consumer perceptions of salt in soft drinks highlight the complexities of modern beverage marketing, where health consciousness and flavor innovation must coexist. Ultimately, Coca-Cola's secret salt trick not only enriches its iconic formula, but also reflects broader trends within the beverage industry, where the pursuit of flavor excellence continues to evolve. As consumers sip their favorite drink, they may never fully appreciate the role of salt in their experience, but behind the scenes, it plays a crucial part in crafting the taste they love.